Alright, so here's the old sway bar end link. I haven't touched it besides now. And you can see, oh, not really. But right here, this sleeve broke. And this bushing went up into the sleeve. And it got cut. So, besides looking all dry rotted and old and hard as hell, it needed replacing. So, we got a whole kit. Let's see over here. We got a whole kit from Moog. Comes with some type of instruction, but here's all your new bushings, bolt, sleeve. So we're gonna come over here and take this old one out and try to give it a shot. So it's a 12mm bolt that came on these. So that's what we're gonna use on our good old impact right here. Cool. So, that's out. Will it come out is the question. There's washer, bushing. Dang. That's like stuck to the control arm. Does this need... Somehow it's stuck in this sleeve right here. Try to get rid of this old bushing. That might be what it needs. Something to hold this sleeve. Come on in. There we go. And that's out. Alright, so this is how it comes out of the bag. You got your spacer, your end nut with a spacer, all these bushings. Come on. And these washers. So we're going to flip these over. Each washer. Okay, so you saw nothing. So washer into the bottom of the bushing, it clips in. So we'll do that with all of these. So there's that. This last one. Bam. Alright. Let's go over to the car. Alright, so we're going to try to reinstall this. So we got everything that we had before. But this time, pull that down. Alright, so we got 3 out of the 4 bushings so far. And this one's the last one. It has a built-in nut with a flange and a spacer, and it goes up in the bushing, and then you just thread it on top. You know, I obviously have to clean up these white bushings because dang. But let's see here. Oh yeah, it's a 14. Something about getting it flush, tighten until threads are flush, and the center hex can't be rotated. Yep. Tighten nut 2 more complete turns, and that will expose approximately 2 to 3 threads. All right. One half turn, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. A good one for good measure. Yeah. That don't look half bad. We'll bring back the light. So you gotta put one up in there, the spacer, another one sandwiching, another 2 sandwiching the actual bar, and then the 4th one up top there with the nut. And that's it for the end link.